up, guys? School's Gaming / Vlog here with another video, and so today we're up. We've done like what, 3 videos? Actually, no, like 5. So we were going to do a video over there. There's a huge bridge. Oh, get out of my face! And then there's a smaller. Hey! There's the smaller bridge down there, but then there were a bunch of people there. So, and then I started filming right now because there are some birds going for our dad's line. He dove in for it and he missed. So I figured let's film. If he actually
enough to actually think that that's a real bird.
That'd be hilarious if he catches it. That would actually be very bad. So I think that oh. See, there's the bird. He dove in and he splashed right where Dad's line is. Oh, now there's 2. Once again. Before there was 3, and then there was just the 1. Oh, he's going in. Oh no. Oh, here we go. Oh my God, he's going very, very slow. It's taking forever. Well. Oh my God. There's so much clams making bubbles. Yeah, that's what I told him. So, I think that what's going to go on with the schedule here is we're going to move Socks Day for tomorrow. We might go see Socks' dad. Hey, Socks, go see your dad.
And
not him.
and another dog.
Yes.
Very tall.
So we're going to move. So we're going to move Socks Day to tomorrow, and then this is going to be outdoor activities. What? No, this. We don't. I don't know. There's just there's brisk iced tea here. It's completely empty. There's also a Hubby Bubby bubblegum wrapper. Not Bubblicious. What's wrong with you? Bubblicious sucks. Yeah, it is. Oh look, this is that weird rock? Look at this. I don't know if you guys can see how weird this looks. I'm gonna go over here. Oh, something rustled in that bush. Probably a bunny or something. Alright. Now we're in the shade. This line is like right out there. And this rock has like super smooth edges. So we were just up here and we were swimming. Very cold. So I don't know exactly what to do with this. It's very, very smooth rock. But it is sharp. So just a little bit ago, a big Jeep came over there. Over here. Ooh, people are calling me everywhere. People love me.
Guys, check that out. Look.
Yeah, there's a huge. Well, there's this hole. Well, it's a huge hole, but then it divides into 1 and then 2. Okay, so I'm just gonna let this happen. If it does happen, then he's gonna have to reel it in, unless the bird can get a hook out of him. That would be a smart bird. We would have got the smartest bird on camera. Alright, so over here, this is. Oh, I can actually show you guys the bridge from here. Yep. Okay, so I don't know how. Oh yeah, I could jump down there, but then. Oh, this right here. Okay. I just don't want to touch these flowers because our mom saw on Facebook that some of the flowers that are big like that and they spread out, they're white flowers. You don't want to touch some of those because there's a species, I think that's what you call flowers, species, same with animals. And yeah, some of those, they give you rashes, funny bad rashes. So over there's the bridge. I don't know how good you guys can see that. Oh yeah, you guys can see that. So out there, there's the bridge that I was going to go onto. But yeah, too many people there. Didn't want to bother them, so I'm just seeing if all of this is safe to walk on. It looks like the water has gone down quite a bit today. Oh, ew. That guy is ugly. You ugly piece of carp. Oh, that sounded like a fish jump. So over there, that's like, uh-oh, God. There's like a hole, and then it actually goes out that way. I'll try and show you guys that. So up here, step on there, step on here, jump over the flowers. Boom, parkour. Well, looks like our dad has stopped fishing, or he is caught the bird. Okay, so so over here, I'm trying to step on here, and over here, there's also a hole. Oh yeah, I can. Yeah, I'm almost falling in. He sucks. Poop. Ow. I thought a piece of bark just hit me, but it was full on metal. Oh man, this is cool. Look at this, guys.
Yeah, it did.
Huh?
Talking to Brendan.
Oh shoot, I can't even see when it does that. I don't know if you guys can either.
Bird sees it on.
Bird sees it. Wait, which bird? That one over there? Because he just left. I'm trying to look out here because I know, like, our dad said that they actually went under here with our boat, which is just right there. I'm trying to figure out how I could see, but oh, there we go. I can see. I can see. Yeah?
No.
No? Seafood. I thought he was talking to me. Seafood? Ew. Actually, no. What am I saying? Ew to seafood? I love seafood. Alright, so at the end of this video, smash that like button. Hit that subscribe button if you're new. Also the notification button so that you'll never miss another video. And then also leave a comment in the comment section down below. I'm going to get up here for a better view in case he does go for it. This fish keeps on leaving. Or fish. Yeah, there's a flying fish, guys. Oh my god.
I think he knows it's big.
Sun's out of control. Oh, but there. Oh, fishy! His lure is huge. I can hear Sox's thing. It's way out here. Boop! Poop goes the weasel. And over here, this is also a good view. Hey, Sox. Well, you're getting the grass bath. Sorry guys for not talking very much. Hello! Hello, male citizen. Oh, male or female?
I'm your brother. You know who I am.
Brother? No. Male or female?
Male.
You look like a female. Yes, but then I will have our parents there so that I can tell them, Brendan hit me with a rock. And then, if they don't believe me, then I have video evidence. So I'm fully covered. I can go to court right now. I can go to court. You threatened.
Please don't go to court.
Oh, you monster. No. I have proof. I could go to court with you, and I could sue you. I will sue him. So hot. I think I just heard like a rock or something out there. Whoa, hey! Oh. It's the murder weapon. What? Oh yeah. I'll throw it out here.
No.
Whoa!
Fudge
Fudge it.
I'm pressing the record button.
If you can catch me. Whee! Ow, ow, ow. So many big rocks. He will never catch me. Hopefully that Jeep doesn't come. Oh my god. Stop. Okay, thank God. He turned around. Yeah, that would be bad. I got ran over by a Jeep on camera. Ooh, that's tiring. Ooh. Oh, there's like a black and blue butterfly. Weird colors. Probably poisonous. Sorry guys, I'm not talking, I'm just tired. No, he's got a stick! He's got a stick! Oh, ow, 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 ow. So many huge rocks. He's axe. Hey, Boop. No, don't go down that hole. That's not your hole. Get up here. Get up here. It's not your hole. You don't get to live in there. No. No, he's just pretending to hurt me with a stick. What?
Nope.
No, drop the stick. Drop it.
Don't touch it.
Drop it, boy.
Dog.
Drop it, boy. Down.
No.
Roll over.
No.
Socks is just roaming around. This is unsanitary. I'm gonna try and get a better look in here. Hopefully nothing comes up and kills me. But hey, I can sue him. I got a camera right now. I'm just gonna turn that around. I'm gonna have to look at that. How cool that is. Oh, the socks is gonna go in the truck. Hello? Hello? He still has to stick and guarantee it.
I don't have my stick.
I'll help him up.
Hurry up.
There's a big goon buggy. Just past us. What? Alright.
I can't even see him.
He's way out there. There's so much dust. What can you guys see out of that?
Look at the
Oh
dust.
yeah.
Look at the dust.
So much dust. Let's see, can I? Man, watch my back.
Make sure when he comes back, you guys get out of the way.
Oh yeah.
Don't hesitate. You pick one
Ow.
side.
Yeah.
Hey.
Oh, which side should I pick?
One side.
That one or that one? They both look pretty good. Oh, this one. No, this one. Oh, no, this one. I can't decide. I'll go through this one. Never mind, it has garbage at it. Disgusting. Here's a rock. Here's another rock. We're with him. Where does he get all these rocks? What? He's trying to collapse the hole. It's not a very smart idea. Not at all. I think that you are sitting on my Pepsi. Okay. Well, it's shade. Shade so that my Pepsi does not get warm. Hey, Zox. What is he doing? You know what, guys? Oh,
He's gonna go for it.
oh, he's back. That's funny. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, he got low. Oh, shoot. Yeah, look at this. Hello? Holy crap.
Once again, we cannot.
That is insane, man. I was helping Socks, so I couldn't see him coming in. Oh my god. He's gonna go right into the lake! Good job, guys! Drop into the lake. What? No. Ooh, there's another truck over there. Okay, what was I going to do? Oh yeah, I'm gonna just open the door to the truck. Don't you open up that mace window. Okay. He has eyelash. Hey. No. No, stop. Gonna put that down here, and I'm gonna steal a drink of Brendan's Pepsi. Thank you very much, Brendan. He's a man. He's a man. I need to take his eyelash off. There you go. See? Look at that. Hey, Alex? What? You don't want eyelashes. You're not a girl. You're a boy. You're a boy doggy. Oh. Give me the paw. Give me the paw. Give me the paw. Yeah, good boy. He gave me it twice because he said it twice. Well, I said it like 5 times, but after he said it, I said it. And then oh! Murderer! He's still there. That quad was going pretty fast. I might hear him right now. I don't know. This is so sunny. What? We're ready to eat. It's only at 16 minutes. I think I see like a bird or something. Not a bird, a fish. Keep on mixing bird and fish apart. How do I do that?
Well, Owen,
What do you want?
you don't have to stop
I gotta
the
hold my
video.
glasses.
I've seen plenty of YouTubers who vlogs at restaurants.
I'm not gonna vlog at Swazi's. Swazi's is a very good restaurant.
Exactly.
In Waterford.
So why not vlog?
Okay, no. Bad boy.
The bottom of your arms feels sweet.
Yeah, my bottom of my...
Actually, it feels hard and rusty.
Hard and rusty, that is so rude. I'm gonna jump into the lake. Now, whee!
You can only jump into the lake when you have a GoPro.
No. I can easily just jump in and then like... Yeah, break a leg. Thanks for the good luck. Yeah. And then I could just break a leg. Yep, thanks for the good luck. Yep. Oh, well that's something to know. First in the boat, he said he has to pee like a racehorse, and now he's telling the viewers where he's going to the bathroom. Wow, he's just obsessed with bathrooms. I gotta look out because that Jeep is still out there. And then there's some people coming around on their bikes. That's boring bikes. I don't need to film. Ow. Huge rocks. This side of the road has more garbage. I would prefer that other side. I'm just gonna safely go on an angle here. I'm holding on so tight with my iPod right now. I don't know what that looks like for you guys, but it should be cool. Hello? Hello? You tried to kick me? Ah! Chicken! Buck! Buck. Okay, now we're reaching the 18-minute mark. Oh, nice. It's a big hook. Is that from up there?
No, it's in the middle of the tree.
Oh. Nice. You're not going to throw that in there, are you?
Nope.
Okay. Good. Oh, how nice.
Hooks and weights are biodegradable.
Oh, they are?
Yes, they disintegrate in the water so the fishes don't, if it's stuck in their lips.
Very nice.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Stuck in their lips. And
Yeah, that makes sense.
Instead it hurts them.
I'm going to try and do this right here. Oh. No, you guys can't see that. The hole isn't tall enough. Hey, you guys, you want to see the best view ever? The inside Briscott's tea bottle. It's excuse me, sir. Okay, he keeps on doing things from YouTube channels and videos and movies. His speech and his acting is all from YouTube now.
Not always.
And it's not even our version of YouTube. Sure. Get in the truck. Hey, that's my side, sir.
I'll move to that
My
side.
side. Alrighty.
Keep the movie going.
Alrighty then. Hey, Sax. No, I don't want to see your butts. Okay. I'm just kidding, guys. That's his spot. I'm just gonna set you guys here. Oh wait, no. Goose poop.
Goose poop.
Goose poop.
Goose poop in the car.
Oh, that's nice. He got goose poop in the car. That's so nice. And like my big red ball, the one that got Palladium. I don't know if you guys know what that is. It's like it's like a huge arcade. We went to Palladium Light though. Look at this. Holding up the sun with my hand. Whoa, that looks cool. That looks weird. That's an actual like something that you can do. Like a filter when you're doing a video. Okay, I don't know what the heck we're doing in here. Hello, good sir. Do you have anything to say to the viewers? Say bark.
Bulk.
Say bark.
Bulk.
Bark. I was about to just hold this snout. Alright, so now we're at 21 minutes. We might make this a little bit longer. I don't know. This is maybe just when we get onto the real road, when we actually need our seat belts, because right now we're just on the dirt road. There are the cars that I was just talking about. I'm just gonna put my feet on the seat. And there's a huge bridge, a huge wall. And here's all the cars. Here's are the cars. And there's the bridge. And then yeah, people were over there. They took up our spots. I wouldn't say that they ruined the video because I don't know. You guys got to see a fast ATV, a bunch of smoke in the air, and also a bird almost go for our dad's fishing line. Now this is absolutely insane. Bumpy. That's for like the bikes and stuff over there. That's the nicer road. I'm using both my eyes here. I can see myself in the mirror, and then I can see myself in here. So I'm like looking at both right now, and it's weird because I see my face. There are 3 faces now. There's one on the camera, there's one in the mirror, and there's one right here. Although they all look like the same face to you. Just shut up. And then here we go. We're going under the bridge. Whee! It's so exciting because it could fall on us. Oh, now we're going on the non-bumpy road. I guess it's not just for bikes. Alright. So this is just for a short while. And now we're going to hit this and it's going to become bumpy again. How nice. So this is the nice road for like bikes. Oh yeah. Look at that nice shallow water. Right, look up. I'm going to stand up right here. Whee! It says no motorized vehicles in wetlands. Who would want to drive in that? Well, I guess some ATVs and stuff. Ugh, just climbing all over the truck now. Oh my god, he's right in front of us and he's gonna kill us, guys. He's gonna kill us on camera. Look at these guys. Ooh, these are it's a nice ATV. I'm not gonna show them on camera because I could get jumped for that, but yep. Holy crap, they go fast. Alright, so might just make this video 30 minutes or so. There's a huge puddle coming up. Last time when we were over here and we went in the puddle, we sunk. Well, not sunk, but the water came up to like here. It was freaky. That would have been awesome if that was a video and then I just caught the water. It literally looked like a small puddle. But then it ended up being, I don't know if you guys can see it, but like right there. Oh, and there's more people right here. Hello. And then there are some more wetlands over there. It's a beauty. Oh, and we're going in some sort of a puddle. You can, I don't know, can you guys see the boat? Yeah, you guys can barely see the boat now. And I don't know if oh, yep, here it is. Sock's got a new life jacket. So now he can go swimming, but he hates it. He hates it so much. We already knew that, but we like torturing him, throwing him in. No, we just hold him by the we hold him by this handle, and it actually doesn't even hurt him. It's actually a nice handle. It's like fabric, and it is the new style. Pick him up, and then we just throw him out the window.
That would be being a bad parent.
Oh, parent. What, you expect me to do it to you? I'd gladly do it to you. I just strap him into a dog. Oh my god, that stuff is disgusting. Okay, and then there, pretty sure that this used to be a train station. And over there, there's a lake. I don't know if you guys can see that, but look at that. Shadowed Lake. And then there's agriculture, I don't know how to say that properly, agriculture and museum. And this place is called Waterfall, if you want to know. I'm sorry guys, I'm not talking. Oh, looks like that we're about to go on the real, oh my god. There's like a spinny thing over there, it's absolutely insane. What? Seatbelt. Guys doing a wheelie? Oh. It was. I'm just gonna put on the seatbelt here. Safety first. That was freaky. Safety first. Remember, kids. Safety first. Yeah, this used to be a train station. Right here. Yeah, now it's like, I don't even know what it is. Yeah, that's what I was saying. Old train station. Oh yeah. There's a museum back there. Oh, look at this. This thing just flew over here. It is a Lego Dimension to Lego Batman. Of course, that is for you, sir. Or bad sir. Okay, now we're on the real road. So, 2 more minutes, and it's going to be a 30-minute special. That's so nice of me. Say thank you in the comment section down below. Shout out, babe. Bye-bye.
I know in the back.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
I know in the back it just shows some of stuff here.
We don't care. Oh, Waterford TV. TVs. Can we get a TV per car? Okay. Now, yep, we're on the real road. So many cars everywhere. Well, not on the road, but there are a lot of cars parked everywhere. This is weird. I'm doing a video in the truck. Oh, there's the church. I'm just giving you like a tour of Waterford or something. Oh, August 11th, karaoke. House. Oh, another house. Oh my god, a third house. We're so look at that. A 3D truck. I've never seen any truck in 3D before. Okay. Probably going to end this video right here, guys. So, yeah, we're gonna end this video here. So if you enjoyed, smash that like button, hit that subscribe button. if you're new, and also the notification button, the little bell beside the subscribe button, so that you never miss our video. And leave a comment, and we will in the next video. Bye guys.